That was so big for an XXL.
Where the hell is Jelly? Jelly, come here. Come here.
Oh,
Jelly.
that fits very well, huh? Yes.
Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's 5th of January today and I'm here again with another SHEIN haul. Let's quickly open and see what we got. Okay, this is the red velvet t-shirt Edwin got for himself. Like literally looks so cute.
Is it so
Like-
weird.
Yeah, it feels weird.
It's very comfortable wearing. Oh yeah, the duck.
The duck t-shirt. Okay, the third one I can see is a hoodie.
That's Edwin.
Feel it.
Like I really love like large hoodies, oversized
This is
hoodies.
Yes.
So beautiful. And this is the design.
Feel it.
Whose is this?
Yours, Mom.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got that.
Yeah. Not bad.
I got another
Nah.
top and a pants
Yeah.
set.
Wow.
Just a nightwear.
This is that green one.
Yeah.
This is yours.
That's
Why is it so ginormous?
This is really good.
Yeah, that will fit.
Oversized.
That's the one gonna fit. Oh.
Okay, got another shorts with a top, and it also has a slit.
Next thing we got is this
Strawberry?
two set. Strawberry.
Strawberry set. Another top.
Yeah, it's the attitude.
Again.
Attitude.
Remember we got this?
Poppers.
Wow.
That's huge. Wow, this is too much. So much.
Feels good. What was it? XXL? Oh, my one.
Okay, so this is really good. I like it. Has a zip and it's a hoodie. Wow, it's gorgeous, no?
Yeah. Yeah, looks good on
Okay,
you.
we got another.
My
That's the
one.
back. This is the front.
It's nice oversized. I really like the material of this one. I think
Yes,
it's cotton.
And then we got this like
Boston.
It's so
Boston
big,
shirt.
okay.
It's a good thing.
Yeah, it's good. Loose is better. I like it.
And then we got.
What is that? That's a.
Oh, it's like a.
Ah, this is mine.
What do you call this? It's got like a hoodie and then it's like.
Yeah, it's nice.
Mine,
It's so big, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
Hmm.
It's a hoodie.
I remember.
Then we got this shirt. Edwin's, is yours?
It's a moose.
Oh,
It looks small, but
who's this?
oh big.
It's mine.
That's
Oh.
nice. I like the color blue.
Ah, this is mine.
Okay, we have another hoodie.
That's mine, I think. Yes.
Wow. Look at this
Oh,
one.
this is not mine.
It's gorgeous.
The material is very interesting.
Yeah, nice. What is this written here? Something is written here.
It says
Race.
Speed Shadow.
Okay.
This is
Oh, Mom, this is yours.
Oh no.
Got some
Wow,
cargo
I
pants.
got my pants. Literally, I was waiting for this. And oh my gosh. Really tight. I love it.
Oh, hello.
It's
It looks good on
gorgeous.
you.
And then we.
She's here.
Oh my god. Oh, don't touch my head. Hello.
What?
Oh, grandma is this.
Okay, that's
You
mine.
like my hoodie.
I love
It's
Well,
so,
this is-
like, soft.
This
it.
green
Yeah,
one too.
it's so nice.
You got the same.
Nah, different.
And got one of my jeans.
Oh, really?
That's
Oh,
small.
yeah. Stretch up.
That's it.
I like the design.
Ooh,
You see the star?
Wow.
whose is that?
You literally said it was
No, this is
ugly.
mine.
It looks good.
Shut up.
She said
This
she's
is mine.
stealing that, Mom.
It's a
Walk
mine.
away.
It's mine.
Okay, so the next thing we got is I love my wife. Yes, she bought me this.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the material looks good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's mine. Mine coming now.
Okay, I got
That's
another
No. Yeah, that's it.
top.
Okay.
Nice
That's a pink
bear
right?
one.
Here is
Where?
mine. Two pack.
Right?
Two pack.
and we got this shirt.
See, 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 how is he doing?
Wait, what does that say?
Two pack.
No, it
Does
doesn't.
it not say 2 pack?
Two pack.
What were you
Okay,
with
got
then?
my gorgeous
No.
small toppy. Nice top. Ta-da. Nice top.
So this is all okay.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
we got,
XL.
okay, one more of this love heart thingy.
Love.
The
Yeah, because
shorts.
mom got it in large.
What's that one?
It's for-
How do you know?
Just by the looks.
Yeah, because it looks black.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at this one.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is
A
that?
leaf.
It's a leaf.
Weed.
But it looks nice. The
Don't
butt.
say
Hey.
that.
Say
Say
that.
that.
Oh, that's even smoother.
Okay, and then the next, can you have that?
Wow.
The next thing we
Oh.
got is this 2-piece set.
Whose is that?
Wow.
Oh, look
What
at
in the
this.
Fiji is that?
Hi.
That's
What?
gorgeous.
That's Hawaii.
That's lemon.
Okay, so got another skirt. It's beautiful.
And then the next thing we got
Oh,
is this
no.
top.
What
Wow.
is this?
Mom.
Oh.
Wow.
Ah.
Okay.
Wow.
Got this
Eagle.
That's my one.
That's not an eagle.
t-shirt.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
It's a dove.
Got
Piece.
my favorite dress which I was waiting for, and looks like this. It's gorgeous. Maxi dress.
You have 24 seconds left.
No, this is not.
Okay, got a wig, this one, and this is just a tote bag, and
Okay.
what is this?
Makeup.
Yeah,
Did you
this is
say,
nice.
did you just say a hat?
Okay, it also has this
What?
belt, and it has a zip. Yeah, so yeah, it's nice. You want it, Lisa?
Yes.
Why you stand there?
Why are you just standing there? None of you are doing anything.
Okay, got some tops. One is this black one, and got one
This is
of
mine.
this white one. It was three set, and one of this brown one, and got one of this bag. I don't know why I got it, but I got it. And how will this open? Okay, so it has this much space, and it's like this. Nice. I also got one the other day, white one, and literally this is cute, nah? I like it. And Isha got this phone case for me, so
But
it's beautiful.
What is this?
I like the phone case.
Do you want to show this? It was the
Wait a and we got some toys for the cats, and we are going to like share this
I wonder what this is.
later on.
Interesting.
We have lots of like different sizes of balls in here, and got some lash extensions, and got nail, and got another nail, and got some SHEIN striking brow gel, and yeah, I'm going to share this all later on with you.
Wow, it's the thing.
Some other video, and like Isha got like this brush. It was for free, so we had to choose a gift. So yeah, she got this one. and got some of
This
these
is very soft.
scrunchies and got another. Open करो बाबा कौन सी है पता नहीं. Okay, मैम नहीं करो. So we got a plumping lip gloss, which I'm going to share it in other video, so I can properly share with you all. So this one is just a matte eyeliner pencil, crayon eyeliner. I don't know what is this, but it says eyeliner pencil. So yeah, I'm going to share all this in some other videos. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you all like it. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye.
Oh, I'm restealing the nails and this.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Oh, so big for an extra.
Where the hell is Jelly? Jelly, come here. Come here.
Oh,
Jelly.
that fits very well, huh?
Yes.